Hello, I'm the lawman. And I've been encouraged to start this podcast because I've been in law enforcement for 28 years. In 16 of those years, I was a school resource officer, and I was in educating the children and try to teach them how, to interact with law enforcement, what to do and not to do on a traffic stop. And I'd rather them learn from, and I'd rather you to learn from someone who knows instead of watching videos. Because I watch a lot of videos also, and I see some people it happen to go right, but some people it go wrong. You need to know your rights. And also, even if you do know your rights, just remember it still can go wrong. And remember, the best way to fight is not out in the street fighting the law enforcement, but fight it in court. And that's why you need to know what you should and should not do. And I'm going to try to come from a standpoint of a citizen, not a law enforcement, but more about myself. Like I said, I've been 28 years, 28 long years, and I've had a lot of good times as well as bad times in law enforcement. I've seen stuff change. I've seen where we were really treated like heroes, and then within the last 5, 10 years, it's like we've been zeros. And I do understand that there were some bad apples in the bunch, and a lot of this stuff was brought on by bad behavior officers. But one thing that I want to reassure you of, it's not all of us. I work with a lot of good guys who actually care for their community, guys who will sacrifice their life for their community. And yeah, I can't deny it. You got jerks out there, and I just can't, and I will not defend them. But I want you to be better from this. So the purpose of my channel is to educate you. And I got hundreds of stories, man. I mean, um, stories, and some of them gonna be entertaining. Um, but back to the education, like everybody always say, well, you didn't read me my rights. Officer, you didn't read me my rights. Guess what? I don't have to read you your rights. That's right. I said it. I don't have to. So, and I'm gonna explain that. If I see you break into Miss Jessie Lee house, you break in there and you come out the window with her TV. I don't have to ask you, hey, did you take Miss Jessie Lee TV? Because I seen you. So yeah, so the only reason why I would have to read your Miranda warning to you if I have to ask you any question that's going to incriminate you. But I don't have to ask you a question about that. I saw you do it. I saw you came out the old lady out with the TV. So remember, but if I didn't see you do it and somebody said you did it and I come ask you, hey, did you break in that old lady, Miss Willie Ruth house and take her TV? And even if you tell me, yeah, you did it, I didn't read you your rights. So yeah, you can get that thrown out if you get the right lawyer. Don't be trying to try that with no free lawyer. Now you got to be able to pay for one. But so it's a lot of little stuff that you really need to know that I want you to know your rights on traffic stops, what you can and can't do. And I'm going to be getting into a lot of subjects. And even if you have questions, if you have any questions, I'm going to provide my email. My email is askthelawman at gmail.com. Askthelawman@gmail.com. And I'll try to get to your questions as soon as I can. And I know a lot of you can tell that I have an accent. Yeah, I'm a country boy. I'm a Southern officer, but we good people too. Country boys need love too. And so, but I'm here to show you love. And I'm hoping that you can get something from it. And like I say, every now and then I might mess up a word or two. But the particular Southern town that I came from, hey, we mess up words. And I've been trying to improve over the years. And if you think I mess up words, you go to that town and you be like, you think I talk proper. Okay? So, but like I said, I'm not gonna hold you. Hopefully you can join me in this endeavor to educate you. And like I said, that I have lots and lots of stories, some that's funny that I think this is gonna be entertaining. Okay? And also, once again, if you have any questions, my email is askTheLawman@gmail.com. AskTheLawman@gmail.com. Okay? Much love, and you'll be hearing from me soon, and I hope to hear from you. Much love.